Let's focus on the COVID situation this morning. Cases have been going up across the country. There are a lot of concerns about whether a fourth wave is going to hit us. And with the number of cases going up, Prime Minister Narendra Modi today is going to be meeting with chief ministers across the country. That meeting is going to be happening at 12 p.m. I know there's a lot of curiosity and questions about whether after the meeting more curbs will be imposed in states across the country. We decode that for you in our next report.
There is a sharp spike in COVID cases in the country. As the threat of a fourth COVID wave looms large, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to chair an emergency meet. The Prime Minister will interact with the chief ministers of all states and union territories via video conferencing. Nearly half of India's daily COVID infections are in Delhi. The national capital recorded over 1,200 cases on Tuesday. Several private schools in Noida, a suburb of Delhi, are shut for a week. The spurt in COVID cases threatens to disrupt schools which have reopened after a gap of nearly 2 years.
Precautions parents are taking are specific. To be specific, they are working on the immunity, and I think all of us, all the sensible parents, they are not sending their kids when they are having cold or cough. And precautionary, some schools are also asking for COVID negative reports if the kids are joining after not feeling well.
Many parents spoke to India Today to express their concern.
कहने को तो स्कूल्स खैर प्रिकॉशंस ले रहे हैं, बट फिजिकली तो हम लोग वहाँ पे प्रेजेंट नहीं है, सो वी हैव टू बिलीव जो भी स्कूल्स बोल रहे हैं. यू कैन नॉट एक्सेप्ट कि ठीक है वो 7 घंटे मास्क पहन के बैठ रहे होंगे, हैंड वॉश कर रहे होंगे.
But there is relief. Children as young as 5 years will become eligible to take the vaccine. The DCGI has given its nod to Bharat Biotech's co-vaccine for the age group 6 to 12 years and Corbavax for 5 to 12 years. Zydus Cadilla's second dose COVID vaccine has been approved for 12 years and above.
जैसे कि हम लोगों ने अपने आप को सेफ एंड सिक्योर कर लिया है कोविड वैक्सीन लगा के, कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल आ गया है बाहर निकलने का. प्लस थर्ड डोज के लिए भी मैं अपने पेरेंट्स को भी लेकर आऊंगी अभी. वैसे ही आई बीइंग अ सिंगल पेरेंट, आई वांटेड माय डॉटर आल्सो टू बी सेफ एंड सिक्योर.
वैक्सीनेशन होना चाहिए क्योंकि विदाउट वैक्सीनेशन बहुत ही कोविड केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं और छोटे बच्चों को तो ऐसे अब छोटे बच्चों को ही हो रहा है बिफोर जिनको वैक्सीनेशन नहीं हो रहा, तो वैक्सीनेशन तो इम्पोर्टेंट है.
While children are more exposed to COVID, now that schools are open, doctors say vaccines can protect comorbid children and boost immunity.
We have seen a sudden rise in the number of cases over the last few months because the children have started going to the school and they have been exposed to the various other students who are suffering from virus illnesses. So it's definitely will act as a much protective effect on their health and will help them in fighting this infection.
Many states, including Delhi, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana, have once again made masks mandatory in public places. While infections are rising, the government maintains there is no jump in hospitalizations. A fourth wave, even if it happens, will hopefully be mild. With Milan Sharma in New Delhi and Ashutosh Mishra in Noida, Bureau Report, India Today.